My name is Ralph George, founder and creator of SmileFy. Today, I'm pleased to present our latest update, featuring a suite of advanced AI capabilities designed to elevate your digital dentistry workflow and enhance the overall user experience. Overall, our AI technology significantly enhances the quality of smile design, treatment planning, and communication with both patients and dental labs. However, it is important to note that the final clinical outcome depends on multiple factors beyond AI, including preparation quality, lab execution, and material selection. AI serves as a powerful tool to guide and optimize the process, but achieving predictable results requires excellence at every stage of the treatment. Our AI designs are fully embedded within comprehensive digital workflows that enable complete 3D treatment planning. These workflows are designed to ensure that every digital design can be accurately and reliably transferred to the clinical environment. And here, the most important aspect. By connecting AI-driven smile design directly with 3D planning, SmileFy supports predictable execution from the AI concept to 3D smile design and clinically deliverable results. While sailing around the world and crossing the Pacific, I experienced long periods of silence and reflection, time that allowed innovation to emerge in a completely different state of mind. Innovation has been never optional for me. Today, it is more important than ever. With that spirit, I invite you to explore SmileFy 4.8.
Our new AI capabilities are organized into several key categories under SmileFy AI Design. This suite includes multiple clinical design options: smile design, crown lengthening, orthodontic simulations, bleaching, full arch dentures. All SmileFy AI designs are fully facially driven. The system evaluates and integrates each patient's facial characteristics, including facial proportions, tooth shape, alignment and color, gingival architecture, and overall harmony between the smile and the face. This approach ensures that every proposed smile design is not only clinically sound, but also aesthetically aligned with the patient's natural features. One-click workflow. Simply select the desired option and generate the smile design with a single click, fast, consistent, and fully integrated into the digital workflow. AI clinical documentation. Smiles are not static or limited to a frontal expression. They are dynamic facial movements influenced by head position and lip mobility. For accurate evaluation, assessment from multiple angulations is essential to properly analyze dental display, incisal edge position, smile arc, buccal corridors, lip support, and overall integration of the dentition within the facial framework. By analyzing the smile from different perspectives, clinicians gain a more reliable understanding of both functional and aesthetic outcomes. This approach supports more precise treatment planning and significantly improves communication with patients and dental laboratories. SmileFy Ava. Introducing SmileFy Ava, our AI-powered video generation feature that transforms a smile design into a dynamic visual experience. Rather than presenting patients with a static image, Ava generates a short animated video that brings the proposed smile to life. With Ava, patients can see their new smile in motion, showcasing natural facial expressions, subtle movements, and overall facial dynamics. This significantly enhances patient communication, increases emotional engagement, and helps patients better understand the real impact of the proposed treatment. Orthodontic simulations. Our orthodontic simulations feature provides a powerful reference for planning 3D orthodontic treatments. Traditionally, smile design relied primarily on facial references. With SmileFy's new and unique workflow, orthodontic treatments can now be planned in a fully facially driven manner, ensuring optimal alignment and harmony between dental structures and the patient's overall facial aesthetics. Virtual Patient. The Virtual Patient feature is an advanced AI tool designed to optimize patient photos for smile design planning. Achieving a perfect frontal view is essential, yet patients often tilt or turn their heads when photographed. This feature automatically corrects head position, aligning it precisely to the camera to ensure an accurate frontal smile. The result is a consistent and reliable image that supports precise smile design and treatment planning. Picture improvement often captures not in optimal quality. Our picture improvement tools automatically enhance key visual parameters to produce images suitable for clinical use. The system improves overall image quality, sharpness and clarity, brightness and exposure, visual consistency for documentation. These enhancements provide reliable, high-quality visuals for diagnostics, treatment planning, and professional case presentations. SmileFy Realism transforms a smile simulation into a natural-looking, realistic smile design outcome. During the design process, clinicians define key aesthetic parameters, including incisal edge position, tooth form and proportions, alignment. Despite accurate planning, simulations may still appear artificial due to factors such as inconsistent light reflections at different viewing angles, limitations of 2D smile design templates, absence of true 3D surface behavior. SmileFy AI analyzes critical dental and periodontal landmarks, including incisal edges and gingival margins, and refines the initial design by adjusting contours and transitions, optical characteristics and surface details. This process corrects deviations from natural morphology, generating a more realistic and harmonious smile that better reflects clinical and aesthetic reality.